Imagine waking up with a flat stomach only to feel like you've swallowed a balloon by lunchtime. For millions, chronic bloating, gas, and unpredictable digestion aren't just food sensitivities. They are hallmarks of SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. We've been told bacteria belong in our gut, and that's true. But when bacteria from your large intestine migrate upward into the small intestine, your entire digestive fire is compromised. Instead of absorbing nutrients, those bacteria ferment your food prematurely, creating gas that traps you in discomfort and inflammation. Today, we're looking at the biological reality of SIBO, exploring why standard treatments often fail, and how you can reclaim your gut health by understanding the underlying mechanics of your digestive system. The small intestine is designed to be a relatively sterile environment focused on nutrient absorption. It's equipped with a biological cleaning crew called the migrating motor complex, or the MMC. This system acts like a wave-like broom, sweeping leftover food and bacteria down into the large intestine during fasting. However, in our modern world of constant snacking, high stress, and low stomach acid, this cleaning wave often stops working. When the MMC is paralyzed, bacteria move in, settle down, and begin to feed on the fibers and sugars you eat. This is why you feel bloated almost immediately after a meal. You aren't just reacting to food. You are feeding an unwanted colony that is living in the wrong part of your body. One of the most frustrating aspects of SIBO is its connection to other systemic issues. It is rarely a standalone problem. It often hides behind a history of chronic stress, which we know shuts down digestive function. It is frequently linked to low stomach acid because without enough acid to kill off incoming pathogens, the small intestine becomes vulnerable. Furthermore, SIBO can lead to malabsorption of critical minerals like magnesium, leaving you tired, anxious, and physically depleted. If you've been treating your symptoms with probiotics and seeing no results, or even getting worse, it's because you are adding more bacteria to an area that is already overcrowded. To fix the gut, we have to stop the fermentation and restart the cleaning wave. Healing from SIBO requires a strategic, grounded approach. It isn't just about killing the bacteria. It's about restoring the environment so they don't return. This starts with meal spacing. By leaving 4 to 5 hours between meals and avoiding late-night snacking, you give your migrating motor complex the time it needs to perform its sweep. We also need to look at natural prokinetics, substances that encourage gut movement and ensure that your stomach acid levels are optimized to prevent future migration. It is about moving from a state of survival and stagnation to a state of flow and efficient absorption. Your biology wants to be in balance, but you have to provide the right signals to allow that balance to happen. If you have been struggling with bloating that won't go away, it is time to stop guessing and start syncing with your biology. This is the path to a permanent biological reset. If you're ready to dig deeper into the root causes of your health and join a community focused on high-performance wellness, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We are here to help you navigate the complexities of your body with practical, grounded science. Check the description for our specific protocols on gut health and recovery. I'm here to help you stop the bloat and start living in sync. I will see you in the next video.